Hi, my name is Aubry Ybarra.
Hi, my name is Estefania Colchado.
And today we're talking about
Cloning.
So what is cloning? Cloning is a process of producing genetically identical organisms or cells from a single parent. There are different types of cloning, including reproductive cloning, which creates a whole new organism, and therapeutic cloning, which focuses on generating cells for medical treatment. And you might ask, why is cloning of interest for us? And there's several reasons. One being medical advances, because it holds potential for stem cell research, organ transplantation, and treating genetic diseases. Another reason is conservation. Cloning can help preserve endangered species by increasing their population. Agriculture.
So another reason of why cloning is an interest is because of agriculture. Cloning can produce crops with desirable traits, enhancing food security. So the history of cloning starts with the early attempts of early studies on cloning, like Hans Sepman's experiment in 1902 with amphibian embryos. Also, the dolly of the sheep, the first successful cloning of a mammal, which made cloning a major topic of scientific and ethical discussion. Lastly, we have advancements in technology. They explore modern techniques like CRISPR, gene editing, and its role in genetic cloning.
So you may ask, what is the current knowledge stage of cloning? And as of now, scientists have made significant advancements in cloning technology, especially with animals. Examples would be cloning of sheep, cows, and dogs. However, human cloning remains largely theoretical and ethically controversial. Research in therapeutic cloning is ongoing, with promising results in regenerative medicine. With knowledge comes technique, and some techniques of cloning includes SCNT, which is the process used to clone animals, such as in the case of Dolly the sheep. Gene cloning is how scientists clone specific genes for research purposes, such as producing insulin. Now you may ask, are there any controversies about cloning? And yes, there are several ethical and moral issues, such as animal welfare, which is concerns about the health and the treatment of these cloned animals, because during this process, animals get poked.
So one can only ask, where are things going with cloning? The future of cloning is likely to focus on therapeutic cloning, continued research for medical treatments and regenerative therapies. Regulations. The regulations of cloning are being developed because of the ethical issues that were recently discussed. There are ongoing discussions about the societal implications of cloning technologies, advancements in stem cell therapy, how cloning might play a role in regenerative medicine. There are still potential risk factors for cloning that include impacts on biodiversity and ecosystems. Lastly, we have synthetic biology, the future of gene editing technologies, and their possible link to cloning. In conclusion, cloning represents a fascinating intersection of science, ethics, and technology. As our understanding and capabilities evolve, it's crucial to navigate the ethical landscape carefully while considering the potential benefits and risks that cloning can bring to society.